Arthur Chester Platt was born in December 1891 in South Carolina, the second to youngest of John Baxter Platt and Christina Levant. Raised in a faith-filled family that championed education and resilience, Arthur rose from the segregated South to become one of the most courageous legal voices of his era. By 1900, his family had relocated to Waterbury, Connecticut as part of the Great Migration. Arthur's mother, Tina, was steadfast in her belief that her children should receive the education and dignity denied to her generation. Arthur embraced that vision and pursued it with unwavering focus. In 1917, Arthur graduated from Livingstone College, a historically black college in the South. His sister, Fanny, also attended Livingstone College, as well as his older brother, John Wesley Platt, who became a reverend. In 1921, Arthur graduated from Boston University School of Law, a monumental achievement for a black man at that time. In November 1922, he was licensed to practice law in Spartanburg County, South Carolina. And just 2 years later, in January 1924, he made history as the first black attorney in Spartanburg to defend a murder case, a bold act in the face of systemic racial injustice. Arthur wasn't afraid to defend his rights outside the courtroom either. In February 1927, he had 2 white boys arrested for stealing his German Shepherd police dog, swearing out a complaint before a local magistrate that led to the issuance of a warrant. His insistence on accountability, even in such a racially fraught climate, demonstrated the strength of his convictions and his refusal to accept second-class citizenship. Arthur's most impactful civil rights moment came in September 1939, when he successfully defended a group of black nurses who had been unjustly fired by Spartanburg General Hospital. Through his tireless advocacy, the hospital was pressured into reinstating the nurses, marking a rare and powerful victory for black professionals during the Jim Crow era. He lived in Spartanburg with his wife, Annabelle Gist, and their daughters, Lucille and Nellie. Census records from 1930 and 1940 list him as a lawyer, a title earned and wielded in service to his people. He frequently returned to Medfield, Massachusetts, where his family had resettled and where he would ultimately pass away on May 8, 1944, following the death of his beloved mother a year prior. Arthur Chester Platt, Esquire, was more than an attorney. He was a fearless advocate, civil rights forerunner, and family cornerstone. His legacy reminds us that justice is not given. It is fought for, lived out, and passed down. Through each case he argued, each injustice he confronted, and each life he touched, Arthur carved a path for those who came after him to walk with greater freedom.